This video was made for the elementary and junior high school students of米原 City by the ALTs, MGT, and MET. Please enjoy learning English with us. Let's begin. Hello! Welcome to our next米原 City English video lesson. My name is Mason. Today we are going to be practicing fruits and vegetables. We are also going to learn how to ask for what we want at a store. Let's get started. First, let's practice the names of some common fruit. Please repeat after me. Apple, apple. Banana, banana. Orange, orange. Strawberry, strawberry. Watermelon, watermelon. Pineapple, pineapple. Great job! Next, let's practice the names of some common vegetables. Please repeat after me. Potato, potato. Onion, onion. Mushroom, mushroom. Tomato, tomato. Green pepper, green pepper. Corn, corn. Great job! Now we are going to practice how to ask for a fruit or vegetable. To ask someone what they want, we use the phrase, "What do you want?" They can answer, "I want," and finish with, "Please." Let's practice together. What do you want? What do you want? I want apple, please. I want apple, please. If someone wants one whole fruit, they must say one apple. Please repeat after me. I want one apple, please. I want one apple, please. If someone wants two or more fruit, they must use the plural form. Please repeat after me. I want two apples, please. I want 3 bananas, please. Excellent. Okay, next, let's take a look at some of our friends as they use the English that we practiced.
Hello.
Oh, hello. How may I help you?
I want some fruit.
Okay, what do you want?
I want 3 oranges.
Okay. Here you are.
Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. How may I help you?
Okay. We have these toppings. What do you want?
I want banana, pineapple, and strawberry, please.
Okay, coming right up. Hello, I want a pizza.
Alright, here are our toppings. What do you want?
I want green pepper, mushroom, onion, and tomato pizza, please.
Excellent choice. Coming right up.
Okay, now it's quiz time. Listen to each of the customers. Try to remember what each customer orders. Are you ready?
Oh my goodness, so busy. Okay, what do you want?
Thank you. I want 2 apples, please.
2 apples. Okay, what do you want?
I want 1 pineapple, please.
1 pineapple. Okay, what do you want?
I want 1 watermelon, 2 strawberries, and 3 bananas, please.
1 watermelon, 2 strawberries, 3 bananas. Okay, let me get your orders ready.
What does the customer want?
2 apples, here you are.
Thank you.
What does the customer want?
1 pineapple, here you are.
Thank you.
What does the customer want?
1 watermelon, 2 strawberries, and 3 bananas. Here you are.
Thank you.
Did you get it right? Great job. That is all the time we have for today. See you next time.